In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an Azure SQL database using Microsoft Azure. Whether you're setting up a new project or just exploring Azure's capabilities, this simple process will have you up and running in no time. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Azure portal. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top search bar. Here, you'll want to type in SQL Databases. As you type, you'll notice a list of services appearing. Simply select SQL Databases from this list to move forward. This step helps you access the service area where you'll manage all things related to SQL databases on Azure. Now that you're on the SQL Databases page, look towards the top action bar. You should see a button labeled either +Create or +New. This is your starting point to initiate the creation of a new database. Click on this button, and it will lead you to the setup page where you'll enter all the necessary details for your new database. At this point, you'll need to provide some basic information to create your database. This includes selecting a subscription if you have multiple, choosing a resource group, and naming your database. A quick tip here, choose a name that's both clear and descriptive, as it will help you easily identify your database later on. In addition to naming your database, you'll have the option to configure additional settings, such as setting up a server, choosing the performance tier, and enabling features like geo-replication if needed. Be sure to review your options carefully to ensure they align with your project's requirements. If you're unsure about any settings, you can always start with the default options and adjust them later as your needs evolve. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and customized your settings to your liking, it's time to move forward and create your database. Review everything one last time to make sure it's all correct, and then go ahead and click the Create button. This step initiates the deployment process, and Azure will begin setting up your new SQL database. While the deployment process runs, you can monitor the progress in the notifications area of the Azure portal. This typically takes just a few minutes. Once the deployment is complete, you'll receive a notification confirming that your Azure SQL database has been successfully created. And there you have it. You've just created an Azure SQL database in Microsoft Azure. From here, you can start managing your database, adding tables, and configuring it according to your specific needs. Remember, Azure provides a robust set of tools and features to help you optimize and scale your database as your project grows. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more guides and tutorials on leveraging the power of Microsoft Azure and other cloud technologies. Happy databasing!